sometimes we need to do a treatment called an epidural steroid injection. Now, people oftentimes think, am I going to have a baby if I have an epidural? No, this is an epidural steroid injection. It does use the same space, but it's using it in a different area. And so when we're talking about an epidural injection, it's usually in the context of we've taken a history from you and we've determined that you have leg pain or arm pain. Epidural injections probably aren't going to help back pain, probably aren't going to help neck pain, but they're very good for leg pain and arm pain. So in a situation like this, we've taken the history, you tell me what you've got, and then we discuss options. One of the options we have is to try to put out the inflammation, which is inflaming the nerve into the limb, into the arm or leg, by putting steroid directly on it. So the most common spot we're doing is for the low back and leg. And so as we're dealing with the lumbar spine, which is represented here by this fairly thin individual, we are looking to place a needle most commonly in that hole. That's the nerve that goes down the back of your leg. So oftentimes we'll ask you, where is your pain? If you say it's the whole leg, well then it's hard to tell which place we go. If it's down the back of the leg, it's S1. If it's down the side of the leg, L5. Down the front of the leg, L4. And then down the inside part, probably 3 or 2. And so usually, most commonly, it's going down the back of the leg. And so what we do is we take a needle and we, with x-ray guidance or ultrasound guidance, place it in the key area, confirming how you're doing in the front and the side, because depth is a key, and then delivering a steroid. Now, the steroid we use is usually Decadron or dexamethasone. Sometimes we use Celestone, sometimes we use triamcinolone, sometimes we use Depomedrol, but the recommendation is Decadron. It has no particles, it doesn't clog up any small vessels you might be in. So the key with the epidural is to break the cycle. Epidural is not a block. Epidural is not a fix. It doesn't push a disc back in. The purpose, the philosophy for the epidural is place steroid on the inflamed neural tissue or as close to it as possible to break the cycle. Now, some will ask, how long does that last? Proper answer is until the cycle comes back. That may be forever. It may not go away at all. Epidural injections are best for new pain. It doesn't work as well for old chronic pain because that may not even be inflammation anymore. It doesn't work as well for bony pinching. And it doesn't work particularly well with scar tissue, but it works very well with disc herniations or other things that are inflaming the nerve. This can also be done in the neck, though in the low back, we would do them through the foramen or transforaminal. Sometimes we do them interlaminar, but transforaminal tends to work better. In the neck, the transforaminal approach is too dangerous, and we're not doing that at this point. We're doing it intralaminar. And that approach does allow us to get steroid placed, and what's interesting is it typically goes up. And so we can do epidural injections in your neck, we can do epidural injections in the mid-back or the thoracic spine, and we can do them in the lumbar sacral area as well. And so a very useful tool for treating arm pain and leg pain is epidural steroid injections. Thank you.